Disconnected the battery. Put it to the sides, not touching. I loosened this bolt. Stuck a socket wrench, a thick socket wrench in here, and you turn it to the left to loosen. It'll bring this down. See that? Pull down to the left. Tension, no tension. Loosen the belts. This belt was attached to this, so I just pulled it out, put it right here inside, and held right there, so I don't get all confused with the location of the pulleys and everything. Took a bolt here off. Took a bolt here off. Short one, long one, popped it out. Actually, yeah, and I disconnected the connector here. This connects to that. Bolts on right there. And there's a connector right here, and it should plug in the back. To reverse, bolt, plug in, not on, connect in, wrap this guy back on here. After before I turn this to the left to loosen the pulleys and everything. So again, remember, short bolt, long bolt, screw in the connector, Boop. This guy, when that's loosened, will be able to wrap around this way. No tension. No tension. You wrapped it around there. It's all good. Tighten this guy back up. Should be good to go once you connect the battery. Decided to make a really quick video because I got annoyed with all those fuckers putting a fucking intro going nowhere, and it was actually that fucking easy